Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download datasets from Hugging Face with snapshot_download, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download datasets from Hugging Face using the snapshot_download feature, start by ensuring you have Python installed on your system. Open your command line interface or terminal. Use the command pip install Hugging Face_hub to install the Hugging Face hub library. Once the installation is complete, open your Python environment. Import the necessary function by typing from Hugging Face_hub import snapshot_download. Next, identify the dataset you wish to download from Hugging Face's datasets repository. You can find datasets by browsing the Hugging Face website or using the command line to explore available datasets. Once you know the dataset name, prepare to use the snapshot_download function. Type snapshot_download, dataset_name, or dataset_name is the name of the dataset you want to download. For example, if you want to download the IMDb dataset, your command should look like this: snapshot_download, IMDb. After executing the command, the dataset will automatically start downloading. The downloaded files will be located in a directory created in your current working directory. To navigate to the files, use cd dataset_name in your terminal. Now, you can load the dataset into your preferred data analysis tool or programming environment. Check the files to confirm that the data has been downloaded successfully. Remember that Hugging Face also provides specific instructions for each dataset, which may include additional parameters or configurations. You can refer to the Hugging Face documentation for more detailed information on specific datasets. That's it. You've successfully downloaded a dataset from Hugging Face using the snapshot_download feature. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.